G'day guys, Dylan from Australian Phenomena here. Last night I went outside at about 2 a.m. till 3 a.m. Usually I don't do that, usually I'm way too tired. I did it and I had a chance encounter with something strange. It was a weird, like long, elongated, orangey object that appeared to have a shadow on it. I didn't get to film it, unfortunately. However, you can hear the sound as it makes as it travels through the air and disrupts the air. Now here I'm going to show you um, a quick rendition of what I saw and was unable to film, and then I'll show you some of the footage with me explaining it.
What was that? Oh shit. I saw something else in a video. It made a noise. It sounded like it was breaking the air barrier.
So yes, before I actually noticed the object, I heard some really strange noises coming from above me, and I've never heard anything like it. Like I always go outside around about 8 a.m. to about 10:30 p.m. But once you go outside at 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., that's when shit starts getting really weird. Now here we got the noises from when I heard it before I saw it, and these are really strange. So you can hear this one. It almost sounds like somebody spinning something in the air really fast. You know that whoo, whoo noise that it makes? And then this is the bit that really freaks me out, is the noise towards the end, and then when it appears. Hear that? It almost sounds like like something, breaking the sound barrier, but it's weird. Listen, ready? And I've never heard any birds have wings that affect the air like that. Listen. That is weird.
Don't let the adrenaline take over. Okay, don't let adrenaline take over. Okay, I didn't get that, but there was something over there. I heard the noise in the air, like it sounded like a whistling noise, like something was flying, not like a bird. I've never heard that noise before.
And roughly 2 minutes after, I recorded another strange sound, which was the last sound for the night until I went inside. I have no idea what that last sound was. Must not have heard it, because I definitely would have noticed it. Anyways, guys, I must say, if you do go outside at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., that's the best time, I reckon, for some strange shit. That's generally the time when abductions happen. But so far, I had no missing time, so I'm lucky. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.